In this part we continue working on our apartment by learning how to render floor plan design. I'm gonna use an HDRI map for lighting and going to show you how to use the noise. First, I don't need the background of this image, so go to render properties, film, and put check mark on transparent, and it should make transparency. Another step, I need to set the correct angle of rendering. Press Ctrl Alt and 0 on the keyboard. Now you are in the camera mode. If you want to change the camera angle in real time, press N and put a check mark on local camera to view. Now if I move my view with the middle mouse button, the render view is also moving. This angle looks good, but it is too close to my building. So if I go to default view, I can move this camera a little bit further. This render angle is good for me. The next step, I want to render this image in cycles. So switch to cycles. I'm gonna use the noise filters to render the scene. It helps a lot to speed up the rendering time and reduce noise in a scene. So first we need to enable the noise data. Then go to Compositing. Make sure use nodes are selected. Then press Shift A and search for the noise. Let's connect image to image, the noise normal to normal, and noise albedo to albedo. These settings increase the noise filter quality. Another step is to set the background lighting correctly. So go to shading mode. I have added HDRI map to the scene. In this example, I only need mapping and texture nodes to control my lighting. So let's find these nodes and connect these nodes together. I want the lighting would be from the top view. If I try to play with the rotation settings, you see the shadow angle is slightly decreasing. I want to keep this sharp shadow, but only in a few places. If you want to change the intensity of lighting, play with this setting. I'm gonna use GPU compute render mode. Now you are ready to render. Press F12 or click render image. Thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting, click the like and subscribe buttons.